Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting small displacement bikes for the new year, the 2026 Yamaha Exciter 155. This is a bike that has been winning the hearts of riders across Asia for years, and now Yamaha has taken it up another notch with the latest generation. The Exciter has always been about combining sporty performance with everyday practicality, and in this 2026 model, Yamaha has refined the design, updated the technology, and given it just enough new features to keep it fresh and ahead of the competition. So, sit back, relax, and before we dive deep into this machine, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. Now, let's get into what makes the new Exciter 155 such a fun and practical choice. First thing that catches your eye is the design. Yamaha has kept that aggressive underbone styling with sharp body lines, a sleek LED headlight setup, and a sport-inspired look that really makes this little bike stand out on the street. It's got that mini sport bike personality, but in a compact, city-friendly package. The 2026 update brings a slightly sharper fairing design and new color schemes that are bold and youthful. You get a combination of matte finishes and glossy accents that really make the bike look premium compared to many rivals in its class. But of course, design is only half of the story. What really makes this motorcycle shine is the engine. The Yamaha Exciter 155 comes with a 155cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder SOHC engine that features Yamaha's VVA, or variable valve actuation, technology. This is the same tech Yamaha uses in their sport bikes like the R15. And what it does is give you strong low-end torque for city riding while still providing enough top-end performance when you're on the open road. It's basically the best of both worlds. Power output sits around 17.7 horsepower and about 14.4 Nm of torque, which for a small underbone motorcycle is more than enough to give you that thrilling ride. The 6-speed gearbox with an assist and slipper clutch makes shifting smooth and rider-friendly, especially when downshifting aggressively. Another area Yamaha has really focused on is comfort and practicality. The seat height is around 795 millimeters, making it accessible to a wide range of riders, and the ergonomics are well balanced for both city commuting and longer rides. The bike is lightweight, tipping the scales at just about 121 kilograms, which makes it super nimble in traffic and easy to maneuver in tight spaces. The fuel tank has a capacity of 5.4 liters, which might not sound like much, but thanks to Yamaha's efficient engine design, you can expect great mileage. In fact, real-world riders will likely see around 40 to 45 kilometers per liter depending on riding conditions. Now, let's talk about the tech and features, because Yamaha knows that modern riders want more than just an engine and wheels. The 2026 Yamaha Exciter 155 comes with a fully digital LCD instrument cluster that is crisp and easy to read, even in sunlight. It gives you all the information you need: speed, RPM, fuel gauge, gear position, trip meters, and more. Some variants even come with smartphone connectivity via Yamaha's Y-Connect app, which allows you to track maintenance schedules, battery status, and even get call and message notifications right on the display. This is a really cool addition that shows Yamaha is paying attention to younger riders who want smart features in their daily rides. Braking and handling are also areas where the Exciter impresses. Up front, you get a disc brake with a caliper setup that delivers strong stopping power. And at the rear, you also get a disc brake, which is an upgrade over some rivals that still use drum brakes. ABS is offered in the higher trims, which is a welcome safety feature for unpredictable road conditions. Suspension duties are handled by telescopic forks up front and a monoshock at the rear, tuned for a good balance between sporty handling and daily comfort. Whether you're weaving through city traffic or leaning into a corner on a weekend ride, the Exciter feels planted and confidence-inspiring. Another thing worth mentioning is Yamaha's attention to durability. Bikes in this category are often daily workhorses. They see heavy usage, rough roads, and all kinds of weather. Yamaha has built a reputation for making reliable engines that last, and the Exciter 155 continues that tradition. With proper maintenance, this bike will serve riders for years without major issues, which is one reason it's so popular in markets like Vietnam, Thailand, and the Philippines. Speaking of popularity, let's touch on who this bike is really for. If you're someone looking for your first motorcycle that's stylish, sporty, and practical, the Exciter 155 is a fantastic choice. If you're a daily commuter who wants fuel efficiency but doesn't want to sacrifice performance, again, this bike delivers. And if you're an enthusiast who enjoys pushing small bikes to their limits, the VVA engine and sporty handling will definitely keep you entertained. It's not just transportation, it's fun transportation. So, to wrap it up, the 2026 Yamaha Exciter 155 is everything a small displacement motorcycle should be: sporty, practical, reliable, and stylish. Yamaha has taken an already successful formula and fine-tuned it with just the right upgrades to keep it fresh and competitive. For riders looking for a bike that can handle daily duties while still offering excitement every time you twist the throttle, this is a machine worth considering. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the new Exciter 155, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future reviews. Trust me, we've got a lot more exciting machines coming your way.